In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort email into oldest in Gmail. Navigating through your email and finding old messages can sometimes be a daunting task, especially if you've accumulated a lot over the years. Whether you're looking for specific information buried in the past or just trying to clean up your inbox, sorting emails from the oldest to the newest can be incredibly helpful. So, to get started, the first thing you need to do is open your Gmail account. This is your usual go-to place, accessible on a web browser or through the app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in and have Gmail open in front of you, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You should see a display of numbers. These numbers indicate not only how many emails are currently displayed on the page, but also the total number of emails sitting in that particular folder or label. It's a quick representation of your inbox status at a glance. This area is your gateway to implementing the sort function for your emails. Now, move your cursor over to those numbers, and what you're looking for is not immediately obvious, but when you click on that, it will reveal a few more options for managing your email display. One of the options you're particularly interested in is the oldest option. By clicking it, you're telling Gmail to reorder the way your emails are presented, allowing you to view your inbox with the oldest emails first. This means that your very first emails from way back when you started using Gmail will pop right to the top of your list. Organizing your emails in this way can provide a fresh perspective on things you may have forgotten or things you need to revisit. It's especially useful for keeping track of long-standing threads or forgotten tasks. If at any point you wish to revert back to a more conventional view, you can follow the same steps and opt to view your emails sorted by newest first again. That's it. You've successfully reordered your inbox. It really is that simple. Just a few clicks and your emails are sorted, providing you with a whole new look at your digital history. This is a great method to ensure you never lose track of important correspondence, even those from years ago. Sorting your emails by date can be a game changer for managing your digital life, helping you find lost connections or information tucked away in a forgotten email. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you better manage your inbox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your digital tools.